Hello everyone, a very good noon to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you all are doing great and I am also trying to keep myself fit and fine. My name is Porosh, you may know me because I am making English video regularly nowadays. So do you notice one thing? And the thing is that I am speaking slowly. Well, after watching my video, a lot of people suggest me to speak slowly. So that's why from yesterday, I'm trying to speak slowly so that my audience can understand what I try to mean them. And it's very important. If your audience don't understand what you are trying to mean them, then it can't get a good result. So that's why I'm also thinking about this, and then decide that I will speak slowly when I will make video. Okay, so that's why I'm speaking slowly right now. Okay, so if I tell you what I did from morning to still now, in the morning I woke up at 6 a.m. because today I had my exam at 9 a.m. And after wake up, then I brush my teeth, and then I go to my study table for study because today I had my Bangla exam. And then I came to my college, and my Bangla exam was very good because I gave answers 100 out of 100. So that's why right now I am over the moon. I was a little bit of concerned that what will be my Bangla exam, but overall it was a very good exam. Okay, so right now I am here, and here at Pachnambargad. You may have questioned that why guy you go to the same place again and again. Well, it's near from my college, so that's why I'm coming here randomly in order to make video. Sometimes I come here to spend my quality time because this place is located near River Shitolokha. As you can see, if I try to show you, that's the area. The River Shitolokha is by my behind. Okay, so right now I'm sitting here because my exam is finished almost 1 hour ago, and then I came here with some of my friends. They actually go other way, but I'm staying here in order to make video, and finally I'm making video. Okay, so yeah, I'm always trying to make video for you because a lot of people requested me to make English video every day because they are my subscriber on my YouTube channel, they are follower on my Facebook page. So they always try to motivated me so that I can make so many videos for them. Okay, so well, after finish my exam, then I go to cultural club. Well, you will be glad to know that I have got a membership of our college cultural club. It was an interesting story. I will try to I will try to share this interesting story with you in a detail in a video that will help you, and that story will motivate you who are making English video or who are doing great things. Okay. Okay, I will make this video soon. On that video I will try to motivate you guys who are making English video. I'm also making English video, and I'm trying to improve my English. So that's why whenever I get time, I always love to come this kinds of place and make video for you guys. Okay, so today's weather is very good, although it's hot, but it's fantastic. Okay, a few minutes earlier it's rained, but now it's the sun is rise again. So that's why now I'm sitting and enjoying the beautiful objects of nature. It's a public place, so that's why there are so many public roaming here, but I can't think about them. It doesn't matter who come or who gone. You have to be focused on one thing, that what you are trying to do. If you continuously think what will people say or what will they come and say about you, what you are doing, that's not good. You have to be focused on your works, and that I'm doing right now. Okay, so it's almost 4.20 seconds I'm making this video. I just try to share my experiences with you so that you can improve your English. I'm trying to motivate you. English is very important for our life, for our daily life. English is very important. If you want to get a good job, then you have to be know English, and if you know English, then you don't need to go for job will come for you. Okay, you will get so many offers for good job. And yeah, that's why I'm also trying to improve my English so that I can get a better future. Well, as I'm a student, I have a strong basics in grammar, so that's why I'm able to improve my English. Although I just start my journey 3 months ago and try to make videos just 3 months ago, and I improve a lot in this particular 3 months, and still I'm making this video. I don't forget to make video. Okay, so just look at the weather. It's very nice. The environment is very nice. Although there are so many people roaming here, but I don't think about them. Well, I think I should stop right now. Well, I don't make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best. And just one thing to tell you, don't forget to practice your English, because without practice you cannot improve in your English. So the one thing that I will try to give you as an advice, that keep trying. No matter if you make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. If you don't practice English, then you will not able to speak a single words in English. So it's very important to practice English regularly. Okay, so keep practicing, keep learning. Have a great day.